Hi everyone, you are watching Glorious Learning. This is my official YouTube channel. Today is my first video, is an introduction of my channel. I am Zahid Hussain. I am a graduate in 2009. It's a software development. I really enjoy my career journey. I am working in 3 different industries: port and maritime industry, offshore industry, and एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री। इस लर्निंग का प्लेटफॉर्म एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर डिस्कस किया जाएगा और डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजी पर वो वीडियोस आपको दिखाई जाएंगी जो इस वक्त मार्केट की डिमांड है, जो इस वक्त सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, जिसमें इस इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा काम हो रहा है। वो ग्लोरियस लर्निंग का प्लेटफॉर्म है, आपको सबसे ज़्यादा आपको नजर आएगी। सबसे ज़्यादा काम करने का मज़ा पोर्ट एंड मैरीटाइम इंडस्ट्री में आया। नाइट शिफ्ट में काम करने से बहुत सारे लोग जो वो हमेशा घबराते हैं, स्पेशली बिकॉज नाइट में काम करने पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आपको वर्कलोड पड़ता है और ऑब्वियसली नाइट में काम करना इतना आसान नहीं है। बट टर्मिनल की जो लाइफ है पोर्ट एंड मैरीटाइम इंडस्ट्री स्पेशली मैं बात करता हूँ, यहाँ की जो लाइफ है, यहाँ नाइट में काम करने का अपना ही मज़ा है। आपको टर्मिनल पे स्पेशली रात को जो आपको वेसल दिखाई देते हैं, ये इतना खूबसूरत मनाजिर दिखाई देते हैं, तो आपको काम करने का यहाँ पर एक अपना ही मज़ा हमेशा आएगा। एलईडी में आपको डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, इसको हम व्हीकल ट्रैकिंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम कहते हैं। ये वो डैशबोर्ड है जो मैंने खुद डिजाइन किया हुआ डैशबोर्ड है। इसमें आपको डिस्प्ले होता है व्हीकल नंबर, व्हीकल का फर्स्ट स्पीड और व्हीकल का ग्रोथ स्पीड। हर व्हीकल का ये 3 चीजें लास्ट में डिस्प्ले होनी है। विदाउट वेट किए बगैर एवरीथिंग व्हीकल टर्मिनल से आउट नहीं हो सकती। ड्यूरिंग माय करियर में बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग करी पाकिस्तान के टॉप मोस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज के साथ, एनआईटी, लम्स एंड आईबी।
Recently, I completed my online certificate IBA in SAP S/4HANA accounting in ERP environment. It really helped me a lot to develop the skills and my hand-on experience of the SAP financial accounting, and the course is very well structured. SAP S/4HANA accounting का जो सर्टिफिकेट है ये बहुत बेहतरीन सर्टिफिकेट है मार्केट के पर्सपेक्टिव से। क्योंकि अगर एडवांटेज मुझे मिला वो टूल से फेमिलियरिटी, लाइव सर्वर पे सैप की एप्लीकेशन जो डिप्लॉय हुआ है उसका एक्सेस, उनके तमाम फीचर्स को हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने मॉड्यूल्स के। I will recommend to everyone who want to understand not only the technical or functional aspects but how also the business process can be covered in the SAP financials. Especially the new students, it really help you to develop your skills in the ERP SAP financial systems.
अब हम जानते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में। टेक्नोलॉजी इस वक्त कहाँ पहुँच चुकी है और कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी पर सबसे ज़्यादा काम हो रहा है, ये हम इस वीडियो में अब आगे चल के जानते हैं। AI जो है वो इस वक्त मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टेक्नोलॉजी बन चुकी है इस टेक्नोलॉजी के दौर के अंदर। जिसने AI का अगर नहीं सीखा तो वो शायद इस दौर में बहुत ही पीछे रह जाएगा।
We hear the term thrown around a lot, but what does it truly mean? What separates an AI robot from, say, a regular robot? You've undoubtedly seen robots in movies, often portrayed as super intelligent beings with human-like capabilities, or even as threats to humanity. Or maybe you're more familiar with robots that are already part of your daily life, quietly cleaning your floors. But AI robots are significantly more than just simple machines. They represent a new era of technology. They're essentially machines with a brain, an artificial intelligence that allows them to perform tasks in a smart, adaptive way. A regular robot, in contrast, is like a remote control car. It diligently follows pre-programmed instructions, but it can't adapt to new situations or think for itself. It's limited by its programming. But add AI, and suddenly the robot can learn from experience, reason about complex problems, and make independent decisions based on the data it gathers. It uses a variety of sensors, cameras, microphones, touch sensors, to perceive and understand its environment, processes that information using sophisticated algorithms, and then figures out the best course of action to take next. So, instead of blindly bumping into a wall, it intelligently recognizes the obstacle, analyzes its shape and size, and then finds a safe and efficient way around it. This powerful blend of a physical body capable of interacting with the world and an intelligent mind capable of learning and adapting makes AI robots incredibly powerful partners, not just simple tools that follow commands. They are capable of handling dangerous, highly repetitive, or incredibly complex tasks with ease and precision, from exploring distant planets to performing delicate surgeries, or even providing personalized assistance right in your own home. The leap from simple automation to truly intelligent assistance represents a fundamental game changer in how we approach technology and work. So, why is all of this happening now? The answer lies in the rapid advances we've seen in computing power, the explosion of available data, and the development of sophisticated machine learning algorithms. These breakthroughs have collectively turned what was once considered pure science fiction into a tangible and rapidly evolving reality. As a result, AI robots are rapidly popping up everywhere, from our living rooms where they entertain and assist us, to offices and workplaces where they are automating tasks and boosting productivity. Therefore, understanding the capabilities and implications of AI robots is absolutely essential, because they are poised to fundamentally transform the way we live, the way we work, and the very fabric of our society. The age of intelligent machines is not just coming, it's definitively here, and it's only going to become more prevalent and impactful in the years to come. So, how do AI robots actually work? It's a question that delves into the fascinating intersection of engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. These aren't just machines following preset instructions. They're dynamic systems capable of perceiving, processing, and reacting to their environment in real time. At the heart of their operation is what we call the sense-think-act loop. This fundamental cycle governs how AI robots interact with the world around them. First, they sense. This initial stage is all about gathering information. They achieve this using a variety of sensors, including cameras to see, microphones to hear, and other specialized sensors. These sensors work in concert to collect data about their surroundings, painting a comprehensive picture of the environment. This data is the raw input that fuels the robot's decision-making process. Next, they think. This is where the AI in AI robot truly shines. The robot processes the data it has collected using sophisticated AI algorithms, often involving machine learning and neural networks. These algorithms enable the robot to interpret what's happening in its environment, analyze the situation, and ultimately decide on the best course of action. For example, imagine a robot encountering a coffee cup on a table. It needs to recognize it as a coffee cup, understanding its shape, size, and potential function. Based on this recognition, it can then plan how to pick it up safely and efficiently, calculating the necessary movements and force. Then, and only then, do they act. The robot sends precise commands to its motors, grippers, and other actuators. These commands translate into physical actions, allowing the robot to move, manipulate objects, and interact with the world in a meaningful way. But the process doesn't stop there. This sense-think-act loop happens continuously, in a never-ending cycle. This continuous feedback loop is what allows robots to adapt to changing circumstances and react in real time. It's this constant sensing, thinking, and acting that enables a robot to navigate a cluttered room without bumping into obstacles, or allows a self-driving car to safely avoid a pedestrian crossing the street unexpectedly. The process is inherently dynamic, not static or fixed. It's a constant flow of information and action. AI robots are constantly observing their environment, analyzing the data they gather, and executing actions based on that analysis. And it's precisely this continuous adaptive cycle that separates truly smart autonomous robots. It sets them apart from simple, pre-programmed machines that can only perform a limited set of tasks in a controlled environment. The sense-think-act cycle isn't just a process, it's the very core of their adaptability and intelligence. It's the mechanism by which they can effectively handle the unpredictable and often chaotic nature of the real world. And ultimately, that continuous cycle of sensing, thinking, and acting is the secret to their remarkable intelligence and versatility. The real magic behind AI robots is machines of cat photos, and it learns to spot cats on its own. This flexibility lets robots adapt, like factory robots spotting defects or home assistants learning your habits. Computer vision is another key. Robots use cameras to interpret the world, identifying objects, people, and even emotions. For self-driving cars, computer vision is essential for recognizing everything on the road. Natural language processing, or NLP, lets robots understand and respond to human speech. It's what makes talking to Alexa or a companion robot feel natural. These technologies make robots not just smart, but personal and interactive. That's what turns them from tools into collaborators. Home robots have come a long way, evolving from simple gadgets to sophisticated assistants. They represent a significant leap in technology, promising to redefine how we interact with our living spaces. From simple vacuums. These early models were primarily focused on basic cleaning tasks, navigating rooms with limited intelligence. Modern robot vacuums use AI, incorporating advanced algorithms and sensor technology. To map your home in hospitals, robots assist in surgery, translating a surgeon's movements into ultra-precise actions. This means smaller incisions, less pain, and faster recovery for patients. Other robots deliver medications, samples, or meals, freeing up staff for patient care. Some use UV light to disinfect rooms, improving hospital hygiene. AI robots are transforming both manufacturing and healthcare. They're making workplaces safer and more efficient. The impact is real and growing. Self-driving cars are robots on wheels, one of the toughest AI challenges. They use cameras, radar, and LiDAR to map their surroundings in real time. The AI processes this flood of data, predicts what others will do, and plans the safest path. It controls steering speed and braking with precision. Most cars today have advanced driver assist features, not full autonomy. The goal is level 5 cars that drive anywhere, anytime with no human input. But the real world is unpredictable and perfecting. This tech is a long road. Self-driving cars show both the promise and complexity of AI robots. They're impressive, but mastering the chaos of real roads is a huge challenge. The journey to true autonomy is still underway. The benefits of AI robots are huge. They take on dangerous jobs, like disaster response or toxic cleanup, keeping humans safe. In factories, they handle heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, reducing injuries. Robots boost efficiency, working non-stop with unmatched precision. In agriculture, they optimize resources, helping us farm more sustainably. For people with disabilities or the elderly, robots restore independence and provide companionship. Eyes and hands in extreme places, from ocean depths to Mars. AI robots amplify human potential and help solve big
गाइस ये था आज की मेरी करियर की जर्नी जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की कि वो जर्नी थी, वो एक्सपीरियंस था जो मैंने अपने करियर में एक बड़ा एंजॉय किया। इस करियर को, इस लाइफ को बहुत एंजॉय किया और मैंने आपके साथ ये शेयर किया। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो इंशाल्लाह जो हमारा कमिंग सून जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगा वो हमारा फर्स्ट वीडियो होगा ग्लोरियस लर्निंग के प्लेटफॉर्म पर। लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और शेयर करना और कमेंट करना स्पेशली मत भूलिए। आपको ग्लोरियस लर्निंग के प्लेटफॉर्म में हर वक्त लर्न करने का ही मौका मिलता रहेगा। नई वीडियो में फिर आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। मुझे इजाजत दीजिएगा, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और वीडियो में आपसे मुलाकात होगी। ठीक है, गुड बाय।